using the same shapes we did for area. And so perimeter, remember, is the distance around the outside. If I have a circle, I'm talking about the circumference, so I do pi times the diameter. We have this half circle. The radius is 5 centimeters, means the diameter is 10 centimeters. The circumference then would be 3.14 times 10, or 31.4 centimeters. But we don't have a full circle, we only have half of a circle. Therefore, we divide the circumference by 2 to find 15.7 centimeters. The curved part is 15.7. But if we walk around the whole way around the shape, yes, we have the curved part, but we also have this straight part here, which is the diameter. So we need to add for our final perimeter the 15.7 to our diameter of 10 to get 25.7 centimeters. Letter B, that 3, if I complete the circle, is the radius. That makes the diameter 6 kilometers. Finding the circumference, 3.14 times 6 to give us 18.84. This time we're not dividing by 2, we're going to divide by 4 because there are 4 sections in a whole circle, and that gives us 4.71 kilometers. The curved part is 4.71. If I walk around the shape, I have the curved part, but then I also have this side, flat side, which is my radius of 3, and this straight side, which is my radius of 3. So we add the 4.71 plus 3 plus 3, and we end up with 10.7 kilometers if we round to the nearest tenth. Looking at shape B, so we have this quarter circle, and then I have some rectangles. That quarter circle, the radius is 3. If you finished out the circle, you would see the radius being 3, making the diameter 6 centimeters. To find the circumference, we'll do 3.14 times 6 and get 18.84. We only have a quarter of the circle, so we're going to divide by 4. That curved part is 4.71. But I also have all of these straight sides as well. I have this side, which is 5, this side, which is 3, this side, which is 5. I'm not going to add the dotted 3 there because it's not part of my perimeter. I have that side of 5, this side is 3, and this side is 5, bringing me back to my curved side. And when you add all those together, you end up with 30.7 centimeters. Letter C, again, we have a quarter circle. This time, the radius is 6 inches, making the diameter 12 inches. To find the circumference, 3.14 times 12 gives us 37.68 for the full circle. We need to divide by 4 since there are 4 of those in a whole circle to get 9.4 inches for the curved part. So as I walk around, I have the 9.4 plus this side, which is the same as the top of 8, plus 15 plus 8. Now, this part right here is not the whole 15. The 15 includes this 6 that's part of my radius. And 15 minus 6 makes this piece 9 inches. And then this last and final side is my radius, which is 6 inches. And when you add those all together, 55.42 inches, or 55.4, rounding to the nearest tenth. Let's do letter B. In letter B, we have 2 half circles with a diameter of 15 yards. The circumference, 3 times 3.14, gives us 47.1 yards. And I don't need to divide by 2 because I have 2 halves, which makes a whole. And then 47.1 plus the 25 on the bottom and the 25 on the top gives us 97.1 yards. Our final problem, we had a picture frame. Kieran's bent some wire to create this fancy picture frame. The rectangle part of it is 8 inches by 10 inches. And we're to find the perimeter of the wire frame going around it. This side is my 8 inches. This side is my 10 inches. And as I notice, some of these are half circles and some of them are 3/4 of a circle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 half circles and 4 3/4 circles. Well, the 14 half circles will make 7 whole circles, and the 4 3/4 circles will make 3 whole circles, giving us 10 whole circles. Across the top, there are 1, 2, 3 half circles, so I have 3 diameters, and if I piece these 2 quarters together, that will give me 4. If we do 8 divided by 4, we end up with 2 inches for our diameter. Circumference, 2 times 3.14 gives us 6.28 inches. For one circle, we have 10 circles, giving us a total circumference of 62.8 inches for number 1. Then if we took that wire off and stretched it out and made one giant circle, the circumference is going to remain 62.8 inches. They want us to find the radius. Well, I can find the diameter by doing 62.8 divided by 3.14 to get a diameter of 20 inches, and the radius is half the diameter, so the radius would be 10 inches.